Hi, so today I'm going to show you one of our co-living places here in Palma de Mallorca, Gomila townhouse. So let's start with the co-working space. We have 2 tables available at any point of the day. Massive windows allow a natural light to come in, and ergonomic chairs allow comfortable sitting and working experience. On the first floor we have fully equipped kitchen, for example with a coffee machine, filtered water machine, basically everything you need to have an amazing kitchen experience, even with this amazing island pot that makes the cooking much more convenient. Also, we have a big dining table, up to 10 people, and a relaxing space with a sofa, big projector to watch movies or to do presentations. So every bathroom has a smart lighting system. Have a look. Every floor has a laundry room with a washing machine and detergents for you to use. On the third floor we have another chill out and relaxing area with sofa and other comfortable seats around. Small dining table, because on the third floor we just have 3 rooms, so this one is enough. Smaller kitchen, but also fully equipped. So you can see filtered water machine. This room has a lot of natural light and an access to this chilling area. This 3-floor building, we have a total of 16 bedrooms. Some of them are ensuite and some of them are with a shared bathroom option. We have this single bedroom with an ensuite bathroom option, which, as you can see, has a lot of natural light and is very comfortable. You can also choose a double bedroom with a shared bathroom, like this one I'm showing you right now. Another option will be to book a double ensuite bedroom, like this one. It's a very comfortable bedroom with a small window, and you get to have own bathroom inside. Last option is the ensuite plus bedroom. As you can see, it's very spacious with a double sink, bathroom with a big shower, and of course a direct access to the terrace. On one of the rooftops we have 2 sunbeds to chill out and have some sun, and jacuzzi. So this rooftop is much bigger. As you can see, we have here big table where we have meals outside. And also this is the place where we do our yoga sessions, or we just hang out and have fun. So that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed the tour and we would love to see you here. So just reach out and take care. Bye-bye.